Hey guys, how's everyone today? Hope everyone's having a great day. So another recall video. This one just got announced a couple days ago. That might affect some of you guys out there, so I like to bring these out, of course. So stay tuned, I'll let you know what it's about. So this one just came out, like I said, a few days ago, and it involves 236,000 vehicles. So it's actually a pretty big one here. And the model years that it affects, the 2020 through 2022. So these are always newer vehicles that I'm finding. And it actually is from Nissan. It involves the Nissan Sentra. Here's a 2022 model, so that's kind of what they look like. But this one's kind of major. It involves those 3 years, 2020, 2021, and 2022. It has to do with the issue with the tie rods and the front suspension. So I guess the tie rods can bend and break under normal circumstances. So nothing major here, no having accidents or nothing like that, which definitely can cause drivers to lose control of the steering of the vehicle, which in turn increases the risk of a crash. So what Nissan's telling people to do, you can contact your dealer if you have one of these vehicles. It doesn't specify different models. It covers the 2020 through 2022 Nissan Sentra. And since it covers 236,000, I would believe that it's most of the models. So it's probably not tied down to just one specific trim. So you can contact your dealer and then they will inspect it for free, of course. And they will replace the tie rod if it is bent or broke at this moment. And they said you can sometimes feel that the steering wheel can be off-centered. So if you're noticing that, definitely take it in. Or that you feel a vibration in the car. Could be the reasons because they're maybe bent. But you can take it in either way, have them check it out, and they will replace them if they're bent. Then what they're going to do, because they're in the process of making a new design, when those are available, if yours was affected, they'll replace it with the new design ones. So definitely a kind of couple steps here to do, but they're going to start notifying owners, they're going to send out letters starting October 5th. And then if you're affected, they'll send another letter out when the actual new redesigned part is available. So like I said, with things like this, issues that could be a safety concern, I always tell people just to call the dealer and get it checked out, make a quick appointment, just run it in there. If it's bent, they'll replace it with the same part, and then you'll be notified when the new design is available. But at least this way you're kind of getting ahead of it instead of waiting for another 2 months almost to get a letter, and if it's lost, then you'll never really know. So I would just call the dealer and get it checked out, especially since these are new vehicles too. I mean, a 2022, only a year old. So definitely check that out, guys. If you have one, let me know in the comment section if you guys own one of these cars or know somebody with one. If they haven't heard about it, like I said, it just came out. Definitely let them know because it is kind of a concern. You definitely don't want that braking while you're driving it. So again, I was just sharing this information. When I get recalls, I'd like to let you guys know just so you can definitely stay safe. And then if you know anybody with one, let them know, because sometimes this information is not readily available to everybody unless you go searching for it. So again, hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate all your guys' support. I really do. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.